Okay, hi friends. We're gonna do another art project with hearts. So, first I'm going to make a line here across the page like this with my pencil. Okay. And I'm going to, let's see, till about there. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then I'm gonna do another line going down about halfway. So kind of eyeball it, but because I want it straight, I'm gonna use a piece of paper or a ruler or something to help create that nice straight line. This is not perfectly centered, but that is okay. We're gonna work with it. So we're gonna do 4 kinds of hearts in each quadrant, okay? So in one of these quadrants, I'm going to do just a big heart, like this, okay? And then in another quadrant, you can choose any quadrants that you want for each of these concepts. I think I'm going to do another big heart down here and have it be like kind of a radiating heart, like this. Okay, I know that's hard for you all to see. Right now I'm just sketching this out very lightly with my pencil, but we're gonna darken it up and you'll see in a minute what I mean. For this one, I'm gonna have like a heart coming off the bottom and then like maybe a bigger one like that. So a couple of different hearts. And then let's see, and then for this next one, I'm gonna do like a bunch of little ones. Like so. Now, before we get to the pastels and paint, I'm gonna write my name on the back. And room number, don't forget. Okay. Now I'm going to trace with each of these hearts a bright colored pastel. I mean, really you can use any color you want, but I like nice and bright colors. And I'm gonna do just a little bit of shading around this big heart. And I'm gonna rub just a little bit. You don't have to do this. This is just a suggestion. Okay, but do not fill it in. Do not color in. We're only tracing right now, okay? Now I'm gonna work my way around all of the hearts and add pops of color throughout, okay? Different colors. Don't think too much about it. Just pick up your pastels and trace. I'm going with a blue theme over here, but again, you can use any color scheme you want. No filling in yet with pastels because that is going to be something that we'll do with the watercolors. I'm even gonna do like a radiation there in a different color. That looks kind of neat. Can you hear those birds going crazy? Okay, let's see. I really like this red. You can add a couple details or flourishes if you want. But again, we are not coloring in with our pastels. We are going to make the watercolors do that. I just want to use all of these different colors. This takes a little bit of time, obviously. Everyone having fun? Okay, only a couple more to do. Oh, we need a yellow in here. I don't know why I did that, but I just wanted to add that. Again, I'm not thinking too much about it. I'm just kind of going with it. Okay, so now we want to outline the perimeter of this and these two lines here. So as straight as you can, outline be as straight as you can, but it's okay if you go out of the lines or out of bounds, no big deal. So I use two bright colors for that. And then I'm also gonna outline the entire perimeter because I just think it looks so lovely with all the different colors. I'm gonna use different colors for each side. You can do that. So I'm just like making a line. Whoops. think I'm gonna go with this nice purple over here. You can pause the video at any time if you need to slow down the steps. This might be a good time to pause so our friends and artists can catch up. Otherwise, I'm going to move on to the watercolors next, okay? So I'm gonna lightly dab my brush. Again, I'm gonna choose bright colors. And I'm gonna start filling in all the white areas. This is where you can get kind of crazy. You don't have to color it in. Like I chose pink right now, and I'm not going to color it in completely because I'm going to use other colors. See, now I'm going to add a little bit of blue, and see how the blue and pink are blending a little bit, and I love that. I love how that blends. Put a little blue in here, maybe up there. I'm gonna add this nice peachy orange color. Now, I am a proponent of maybe having a little white space here and there, but if you want to cover your whole paper, I will not object to that at all. There we go. Bold, bright colors. You want to go in, Joe? Sorry, I'm talking to my cat. He's begging to go back inside. See how nice that's starting to look with all those different bright colors? Okay, now that is done, as the watercolors are drying, this is an optional step, but it's one I'm going to incorporate. I'm going to add just little dashes here and there of metallic paint. Because love in your life is a party, right? It should be celebrated. See, now you can't really see at this angle, but when you tilt your paper a certain way, especially if it's facing the sun, you'll get like a little bit of a glisten from the sun with that gold paint. Okay. I've also got a nice copper color here, a rusty, dusty pink. Makes it a little bit more interesting. So little flourishes here and there. And when that dries completely, it's gonna look so lovely. So again, we've got the big heart, we've got the radiating heart here with some overlap. We've got a heart coming off the bottom, floating up, and then we have a bunch of little hearts. So I hope you enjoyed this project, and happy arting, everybody.